Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x18WD wet dry vac. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Now we need to replace your damaged or worn out squeegee blades. This is how you do it, real quick, real simple. Remove the suction hose from the squeegee assembly. Loosen your knobs and remove the squeegee assembly from the machine. So now we can remove the blade clamp by removing these 4 Phillips head screws. Now just take your blade clamp and remove it. And now you can just take and free out your squeegee blades. Okay, so now we're going to just reverse the steps to install the new squeegee blades. We've already got one of them in here like this. Now what I do want to mention is that on your squeegee blades, there's a little lip on the inside of the squeegee blade. Now that faces inside so that your clamp can sit down on top of it. So just take them and line them up carefully on the inside of your squeegee assembly, like that. Now take your clamp and place it back inside your squeegee assembly. It's kind of easier if you start with one side and then you can kind of just push it down, just like so. And then all you have to do now is put in your 4 screws and tighten them down. And that's it, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video and thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.